I chose to do law with international business because I want to pursue a career in corporate law, and I want to stay in London after I do it, but maybe in the future when I can change my mind, I can still go in a different country and do it, because international business is very helpful. I met my tutor in the first week and she was really helpful to me. She knows that I'm from a different country and she offers me help, a lot of help, if I need with anything like careers, my language or anything else. She's very helpful. We get along really well. So we have lectures and then we do some prep work for the workshops that we have on the following week. And it's really helpful because what you learn in the lecture, you can then expand on it in the workshop. They give great support here as well, like financial team are very helpful with everything and career support too. What I like most about London is the people. Everyone is very helpful, very friendly, and the transport, because it's very quick and very easy. A lot of people who came from different countries and we were connecting, we were talking to each other, so that's the way I learned English very quickly. I've enjoyed how we have like class debates. Everyone can express their opinion. It doesn't matter if it's right or wrong, we can talk about it and have different points of view. It's really helpful to learn.
As I come from the business background, so this will help me to increase my skills in legal business and my analytical skills.
I see my supervisor almost every week. He's very friendly gentleman. He's ready to help. Yes, I like it very much. I won the Great China Scholarship, and it's a huge help to me and to my family. And it's also a recognition to my efforts, to my achievements in the past years.